Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat secrets, and in this video I will show you how to find direct Chinese factory on WeChat app. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our WeChat app. Okay, have you opened up your WeChat app? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on discover right here. Go ahead and click on channels. Now, from the channel right here, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead, simply make use of search icon from the top right here. You'll see a search icon right here. So click on that. And here you go. Here, you can easily type any name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for ladies bag. Ladies bag. Then I'll hit on search. Then in a few seconds, you see a lot of factory relating to the keyword that we just typed in right here. The more you scroll down, the more different factory it's going to load up. Okay, so here, if you see any one of them with this particular badge right here, it simply means that they are verified factory by WeChat, and you can deal with them at your own group. Now let's go ahead and click on this particular factory right here. Now here you can see the name of the factory right here. Okay, now we want to check more detail about them. You go ahead and click on their name. So you click on their name, you'll be able to see detail about the factory. You see some of their previous posts, just like what you see right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different posts by the particular factory concerned. However, this depends on the number of posts they have been made so far. So you can see that this factory here, they deal with woman bag line. So you can see different style of woman bags, just like what you see right here. Now, if you want to contact them, simply click on customer service. Once you click on customer service, it will take you to where you will start chat up with them. For a future purpose, if you don't want to miss this particular factory, click on follow button. So when you click on follow button, every time they have a new product and they post on their channel, you'll be able to be notified and you get access to their latest product right here. And also, if you want to chat them directly, you want to make inquiry, go ahead and click on customer service. When you click on customer service, then send them your message. So here we go. Now you can see auto message right here. Then you can go on and initiate your message right here. You can say hello. So you can see auto response. Connection is being established and a human customer service representative will assist you shortly. So here you can state whatever you need to know about them right here. You can either type in Chinese character or you type in English language, whichever way that is more convenient for you. It's that simple. So you can go on and find different factory of different products of your choice using this WeChat app on your WeChat app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to find the direct Chinese factory, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.